Introducing the King's Hammer Shop Triple Crown Cup T-shirt, a garment that embodies the spirit of triumph and excellence in the world of sports. This T-shirt celebrates the achievement of champions, capturing the essence of victory and determination. The King's Hammer Shop Triple Crown Cup T-shirt is more than just apparel. It's a symbol of athletic prowess and dedication. Crafted with care from 100% cotton and proudly manufactured in the United States, this T-shirt offers not only style but also comfort and quality. The choice of premium cotton ensures a soft and breathable